Hi, this is Suchi, and in our previous video, we were discussing about different set operations. Next thing we will look into is the difference. So let's look into this difference. So let's take the same lists here. Let me copy this. So let me change few values here. Let me make it 40. So as you can see, we have 30 and 40 in common. So we have 30 and 40 in both set 1 and set 2. But apart from that, set 1 is having 10, 20 and set 2 is having 70, 90, which are not matching. So before difference, let us see. So here the order will matter. So let me add two elements here. One is difference from my set 1 to my set 2 and difference of my set 2 to my set 1. So I will change this order here. And now what I will do is I'll print both of them. So I'll print both of them. This one will be the first one and this is the second one. Now if I run this cell, I'm extremely sorry, I have to write difference here. So the method name is difference. So once we run this cell, then we can see this. My set 1 is having these 4 elements, my set 2 is having these 4 elements, where 40 and 30 are the common elements. And after difference operation is performed, these two are unchanged. The result of the difference operation we can see here is when we do my set 1 minus my set 2, we will get 10 and 20. So you can see if this set is having these 4 elements, and if we remove the common elements from this set, which is 40 and 30, we are only getting 10 and 20. So that's what we are getting in the difference operation. As you can see in the photo, as you can see in the image, in the difference operation, if we do A minus B, what we will have? We will remove the common elements, the intersection part from A, and we will get the result. So that's what we are getting. So the intersection part was having what? 30 and 40. So we have removed 30 and 40 from A and we are getting the result. And the same thing will happen when we will do this one minus this one. So we will remove the intersection part from this one, which is 40 and 30. So we will be left with 70 and 90. That's what we are left with here. So this is how the difference works. Now for difference also, we have the in place things. So we can, let's see. For difference also, we can do the in place operation. So let me show you. This is the same thing. So if we do difference underscore update, it will perform an in place difference. And it will update my set 1 because we are calling the method on this object only. So what we will do, we will run this cell and we will see what is the output. Sorry, I think I have put something wrong over here. Fine. So if we run this cell, we can see my set 1 was, whatever my set 1 was, it has been updated with the difference operation. My set 1 minus my set 2, it is having now. Now the same thing we can perform in the opposite direction. So we can do this, my set 2, difference update, my set 1. So it will remove whatever is present in my set 1 from my set 2. And you can see the result. We are left with 70 and 90. So we are getting the expected result.